Hey guys, for today's video, I would like to share how you can refresh your aggregates or data action in parallel instead of the usual refresh. Like, for example, I have a screen here where we have three aggregates. These three aggregates is being used in these three drop downs. All three of them is currently set on demand, right? So if I have these two buttons here, and then this first button is just the usual refresh, so we can get the data from the aggregates. So this is usually what we do, and then the thing that I wanted to show you is that you can uh, you can fetch the three aggregates in parallel. So for you to do that, the thing that you need to do is to create a separate client action for each of your refreshes. So I have these three, and then for the action of the button, right? I create a client action for this, and inside of that client action, I have a JavaScript node, and inside of this node, we are calling the three client actions that we've created earlier. This refresh file type 1, 2, 3, these three. So in this scenario, what would happen is it will refresh the data simultaneously. So I can show it to you. So I'll show you the usual way that we do it, like this one. As you can see, it did not load simultaneously. It loads this first drop down, the second drop down, and then the third drop down. But in our implementation using the JavaScript node, if I click on this button, it loads the three aggregates simultaneously in the drop down, and then you can see the difference as well in performance on the developer tools. If I click this and then go back here, you can see that it 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 is not processing at the same time. So it processes this one first, the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one. But for parallel, if I click on that, you can see that it refreshes the aggregate simultaneously at the same time.